What's up?
What's up, YouTube?
Back at it again. We're installing our fan today.
That is correct. We are going to show you how to install this fan, and so keep watching.
Let's go.
What's up, guys? Here's what came in the box. We got the MaxxFan 6200K. A lot of people who are doing these kind of builds, they'll either get the MaxxFan or the MaxAir. The MaxAir you can't run in the rain, you have to shut it. So this one, it can run open in the rain all the time. It's got a manual open and close. You can get the upgraded one, which comes with a remote. Just your typical 12 volt. It's got 10 different speeds. We plugged it in to make sure it works already. We didn't want to cut a hole and then put it in and then it doesn't work, because that would really suck. The next thing, it's got the screws. This is our actual mounting plate. This will sit in the roof like this, and then these bolts will get attached right here. This is a cover plate that gets used to cover it up from the inside of RVs, and you can trim it down. I don't think we're going to use it at all. I think we're just going to touch up the tongue and groove to it when we put the ceiling in. So let's get started. Alright, so we have this adapter here. This side's the top. So this is actually what's going to come through our ceiling here. So what we're going to do is mount this here in the center of our three ribs here. We're going to mark it, drill small holes, and then go up top, and we'll drill bigger holes and connect them, make sure everything's good, do some test cuts, and then we'll cut the big square out.
How you feel?
Well, I feel all right. I'm a little nervous, but it's part of the game. I like the risk, but we're doing good. Well, we got the 4 holes in. Sid is now taping up around where we're gonna cut so that all of it falls down and catches inside of here, so that we don't get it all over. So let's go upstairs. The riskiest part's over. The hardest part has passed.
Oh my gosh, we just cut a hole in the van.
But it works. It fits. It's snug. It's actually really snug. We did a pretty clean cut. We still gotta sand it down and prime it with some paint before we do some more stuff to it. But the good news is it's in there. It fits nice and snug. So we're ready to move on. We cut the hole. We used some files to file it down a little bit. You can see now what I'm doing is just painting it with this Rust-Oleum protective coat so that in the future it doesn't rust out or anything. Alright, so what we did was we just put this in here, and then we just drilled some pilot holes. So put it in like that. Just use a small little bit to drill the holes, get the holes started for these screws that we're going to use to mount on there. Next, what we're going to do, since we have all these holes in here, is use this universal vent installation kit. I don't know, it's an add-on for Amazon, but basically it's just this flexible kind of caulking material that we're going to put around here, and then we'll place it down. It'll create a barrier, and then we're going to hit it with this lap stuff on the top, and then touch up the screws, and we should be good to go. Alright, so I just finished bolting in the last 2 bolts here, 2 bolts on that side. So the fan's finally installed. We got the sealant applied to the outside. It's waterproof, airtight. We just have to hook up the electrical.
So there's only one thing left to do.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that fine fan. Alright guys, we got it hooked up here to a battery, as you can see. Say hi, Sid.
Hi.
Oh nice, you got to stay. So, moment of truth here. Oh, it's on. Crank that bad girl up. Oh wow. Oh man, show. Oh, she's sucking air out right now. Oh, here we go. Now we're coming in. Oh yeah. That's nice. A nice breeze. Tacos unenthused. Well, we successfully installed a fan today. We're working on the rest of our lighting. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, check out our website coming soon. I think we have an Instagram. Follow us, same handle.
Van Life.
Yeah, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.